So now we're going to the technical analysis for NIO. I'm using a tradingview.com. These are the watch list of companies the stock gurus have been following. We've been doing amazingly well on. Big congratulations to all stock gurus. Yesterday, the last few trading days, just huge gains in the market. CRISPR up around 20% since we've been buying it. If you've been following the channel for a while, I made a lot of videos to buy CRISPR after watching the Human Nature documentary. I highly recommend you check out that documentary on Netflix. Amazing, amazing documentary that explains CRISPR technology, the DNA editing, and just DNA in general. Amazing documentary. OTGLY also up 7.29% yesterday, the company that owns The Witcher, and we've been buying a lot of that. Airbnb, we've been buying huge amounts. My goal is to own 20% of Airbnb. If you've been following my videos, we made many buy videos on Airbnb at the IPO. The last few weeks. In the YouTube membership section, you can see the join button there. I've been buying a lot of Airbnb recently. You can see my live trades in the membership section. Intel, we've been buying huge amounts of Intel also on the amazing fundamentals. I made a video on Intel yesterday. Check that out. Just many other companies also. Unity is up 300% since I made that buy video at the IPO at $52. Huge gains there. Tesla up massive since you've been following me on Twitter since 2015. We've been buying a lot of Tesla since $80 now, more than $4,000, $4,300 per share. So we've been more than 50 time gains on Tesla. If you've been following even my videos on this channel since the $300 mark or $400 mark, sorry, just a few months ago, we made huge gains and more than 100% on that. PayPal were also up massive. We were buying 2013 on Twitter at $30, even in this channel at $180, buying a lot. Bitcoin on this channel at $9,000. I said buy Bitcoin in July. I made a video on this channel. Now up almost 39,000, so up 400%, which is huge gains there on Bitcoin. Apple, I made a video on the technicals today. Check it out also on this channel. Hit the subscribe button, the bell, and the thumbs up button so you're notified of these daily videos. We're going to be looking at NIO today. I also made a technical on Tesla today and Plug Power. Check out those videos. Today we're looking at NIO. I've been following NIO for quite a while. These are my charts that I'm using. I'm using tradingview.com to get these charts. They're very beautiful charts. If you're looking at these charts and you're panicking, and this is the first time you've seen this, I want you to stop, take a deep breath, and relax into this. I've taught tens of thousands of students how to do this, and I'm going to teach you as well. You're going to learn how to do technical analysis to predict the price movements of stocks. This is the price of NIO over time. Moving over time, we've been buying a lot of NIO. A lot of the stock groups have been buying a lot of NIO. NIO is the Inc. is the company. 1 daily candles, so each of these candles represent 1 day. We're using few very key indicators here, and the charts are amazing, but they're also very efficient. You learn how to set up your charts in the Stock Guru Masterclass, www.stockguru.us. If you've been losing money in the stock market, if you've been buying stocks and not making huge returns, if you've been using any form of leverage, or if you want to have millions of dollars so you can afford opulent villas like this and be able to buy whatever you want in life and have abundance mindset, I teach all this in the Stock Guru Masterclass, www.stockguru.us. So stochastic RSI, when they're above the dotted lines, these two lines, it means this company is overvalued. Below the dotted lines, it means too cheap. So right now, NIO is expensive, and it's turning to head down on the daily. The squeeze mob is going green, heading higher. The RSI is heading down, but we have large amounts of volume right now, big volume for NIO. So even though it does look like it's going to try and come down today, it hit perfectly my targets actually. If you followed the last video, it went up, hit that resistance, and it's coming down. It looks like it's going to come down to this trend, this support here. The upper end of this triangle. It might even fall back into the triangle and do what it should be doing, getting to here by mid-February and breaking out to the $85 target. That's the way we got that target. This is a ascending wedge, and usually ascending wedge breaks out to the direction of the trend. It is climbing and making higher lows though, so it's going to break out to the upside, it looks like. And usually it breaks out to the distance of the base of the triangle. So the distance here is where our target is for the $80 range for NIO. The stochastic RSI though is heading down, but not much. I believe it's going to come down only to around, it is possible it comes down to here in the next few trading days, $56. That's the first target for NIO. If it holds there in the stochastic and RSI all the way down, then it bounces off and turns and starts heading back up to the $80 target. However, it could also fall down to the $50 mark, and that will be a great buying opportunity. So first target is $56.74. Second target is $50, and that would be an amazing buy because that's then doing what it should be doing, going into this triangle and breaking out by mid-February to the $80 mark. That's what we want to have happen. But first target for the next few trading days and weeks is $56.74. Second target is $50 if the stochastic and RSI are not oversold. If it hits that $56.74 and the stochastic RSI are already at the bottom, then it just bounces off there and heads towards the $80 target. However, if they're only midway, then it comes 56.74's first target, then it could come down to 50, turn, and then head up to the $80. However, do you really want to catch these $4 movements down and miss the overall trend of NIO, which is massively trending up? No, the trend is your friend, and you want to always go with the trend. Remember this, the trend is your friend, go with the trend. And it is showing that it will correct. First target for the midterm, 56.75. Second target, $50, which will be a great buying opportunity within that triangle. Let's zoom in now to see closer. We click down here 3 months to see what's going to happen for today's trading day. I've been making nearly daily videos on NEO, so we've been doing really well. I do straight away see kind of a trend line. I'm going to throw in a ray here. The way you draw trend lines is try to touch as many points on the trend line as possible. So there's one touch, there's a second touch. So that does seem to be a trend that it's making higher lows. For today's trading day, NEO is going up. So the hourly candles now for today's trading day, each hour in the market, stochastic very oversold. You now know, oversold, RSI turning to head up, stochastic turning to head up, large amounts of volume, indicators of a buy. It looks like today NEO is going up, which is beautiful. First target for today's trading day is the $63.36. Second target is $64.74. I'm going to draw those targets in just so we have them for the future. So first target for today's trading day, $62.89. And then second target for today's trading day is this resistance, $64.89. So those are the targets for today's trading day for NEO. Stochastic RSI heading up. Stochastic RSI heading up. Lots of volume. First target $62.89 for NEO, and second target $64.89 for NEO for today's trading day, the 15th of January, which is beautiful. And why you need to learn technical analysis, which you learn how to set up the charts, how to do everything I'm showing you in the Stock Guru Mastercourse, www.stockguru.us, is because it's very powerful self-fulfilling prophecy. And I'm going to explain to you why. Here is a perfect example. Now you know stochastic oversold, turning heading up. RSI oversold, turning heading up. Lots of volume. NEO on this support line at the $43 mark. All indicators of a buy. All my students know this is a buy that took the Stock Guru Mastercourse. All the 401k fund managers, all bankers, Wall Street bankers, they know these are buy, that they know it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. What happens is they all set their buy orders here. And because they set their buy orders here, it becomes self-fulfilling prophecy. The price of NEO comes down, hits their buy orders trigger, and you catch a movement from the $42 mark all the way to $64 mark, a 50% gain, and you would have known to buy right there. And that's why you need to take the Stock Guru Mastercourse, www.stockguru.us. So I hope you like this technical analysis on NEO. It is a buy. First target for today's trading day, $62.89. Second target, $64.89, which is beautiful. So this is James from Stock Guru. I hope you like this. Don't forget also on the channel to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and the thumbs up button so you're notified of these daily videos. I made a video on Tesla, technicals, Apple today, and also a big video on Plug Power. So check out all those videos on the channel today for the market. Before the market opens, we're going to predict the price movements of the stocks, which is beautiful. Everything you've seen here, how to set up the charts, if you've been losing money in the market, if you've been buying stocks, not making millions of dollars, and also on the 1st of February, I announced the winner of 5,000 USD. If anyone that purchased the course, www.stockguru.us, before the 1st of February, goes in the chance to win 5,000 USD, which I announced on the 1st of February. And the Stock Guru Master Course goes perfectly well, amazingly well with my YouTube membership section there. I usually buy, you see my live trades in the YouTube membership section, $99 a month. You see anytime I buy a stock in my portfolio, if I sell a stock, I put my limit order, the targets for my trade, the reasons for my trade, and the stop loss in the YouTube membership section, which goes perfectly well with the Stock Guru Master Course while you're learning to watch my live trades. This is James from Stock Guru. I wish you effortless abundance in your life. And if you have any mindset of lack, if you're thinking any thoughts, I can't afford this, this is expensive, I can't buy this, throw those thoughts away. I don't want you to not do that anymore. I want you to only have thoughts of abundance. Don't let any negative thoughts when they come into your mind about money stay there. As soon as you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts of money, stop, throw it away. Think, I can afford this, I can buy this, money is infinite to me. You don't work hard for air, you don't work hard for money, and you don't work hard for water. Sorry, you don't work hard for air, you don't work hard for water, and you don't need to work hard for money. You just have to have a mindset of abundance, and it will come to you. Learn all this in the Stock Guru Master Course. This is James from Stock Guru. Have a beautiful trading day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.